It's a Gerber Aquasaver, but the emblem on there is faded, or stamped, or whatever it is. It's a 1997. This is the toilet in my new apartment, and it's getting replaced with a 1959 standard Compton, which I've been waiting to install. Check this out. It's got a 200A that I put in there quite a while ago. I'm going to pull that 200A out and soak it in vinegar to get rid of the mineral stains on it. And then that will go into the Compton. The flush valve and handle were replaced on it a long time ago as well. Yep. Pardon the mess. I just moved in here, so just bear with me. And here's the new toilet that is going to replace the Gerber Aquasaver. Ta-da! 1959 standard Compton with a Mansfield flush tower.